In this simple and very straightforward video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how you can log in your Snapchat account on your computer or laptop. On your computer, go to your browser. In this video, I'll be using Chrome browser. Tap and open your browser. On the browser here, come here on the search bar here and enter the Snapchat official website to log in. And here is it. You can see right here is Snapchat official website. After that, tap on enter. If it loads, it brings you into Snapchat official home page, and from here you can see here log into Snapchat. You can use username or email address. Also you can switch and use phone number, but for me I'll use my email address. I'll come here and put my email address. If you put your email address, come here and tap on this login. It loads, and you can see here enter password. So come here and enter your Snapchat password. If you enter your password, you can see here next. Tap on this next. It loads and you'll be logged into your account. You can see very simple to log into your account. And here's my account home page. You can see, right? So you can start doing things. You can see, you can come into your profile icon. You can tap on it and do several things. You can see it's very simple, guys. So thanks for watching and bye.